Really? Lord, jumping on me.
Yay!
Play on your feet.
1, 2, 3. See?
Spark.
1, 2,
See if we
3.
can make a spark this time.
Oh.
You gonna share those or not?
Yay!
Can you take it?
Almost.
Oh, let's do it again.
That one was weak. Barely got
You
anything.
dancing
out.
now?
Can you put her thunder shirt on her?
No.
Yay!
That's a good idea.
Good girl.
I know where it's at.
Where is it longer?
Yeah.
1, 2. Yana.
Yeah.
Spark.
1, 2,
good.
3.
Oh,
Put a
okay.
bed there. Food.
Yay!
He took one. I gave him one and he just went right in his hand.
Yeah.
All right.
No, we can leave that door open, sweetie.
She's like,
No, she loves
yeah.
closed door.
He likes to. He wants them open. He just wants the doors to stay open all the time.
Okay.
She always
I don't know where.
tries to shove her hand in it. Yana, you can't do it like that. It's not gonna work.
She's like, I'm gonna make it work.
Oh, whoa, whoa.